How to fix Microsoft Office activation wizard keep popping up error in your Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Microsoft Office activation wizard keep popping up whenever you try to use Office. So let's get started. First thing, you'll need to open up your C drive. So open up your C drive first. And after you open up your C drive, head over to your program files. After you open up your program file, search for Microsoft Office. It's right here. Open this up and there you'll find Office 16 or whichever version that you have. Open that up and there you'll find an application. It's called OS Perm. So all you have to do is run this as an administrator. So right click on this. Let me do that again. Right click on this and then tap on run as administrator. After you do that, your issue will get fixed, and that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.